Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to refund your money on TapTap Send. So guys, follow me in this video and let's get started. First guys, to refund money, especially situation if you sent a wrong number or refund maybe not always be possible, but just contact your support. For example, this support, and write your name here guys. For example, your name is James, and your email address. Type your email address. For example, this is my email address. And after that guys, what you have to do, just write this simple message. As you can see here, dear TapTap Send customer, I hope this email found you recently made your transaction on TapTap Send, and I will request my refund. And write here your transaction ID and your data of transaction and amount, and write your reason to refund and appreciate. Write here this message. This is the message guys you can write, and write your name here and contact information. And if you have attachment or screen app, download your screen on your PC and click just send. So guys, this is how you can do, and thanks for reaching, and you will get back soon. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video.